I don't think so. Oh, it's... Nah, but that was 2018, and they were waiting for like a Trader Joe's or a Whole Foods to come, and I'm like, you don't meet their buyer profile. They're looking for yuppies, man. They're not looking for working class white folks. They're looking for, they're not looking for working class folks. They're looking for yuppies, man. They're looking for people, Oh, I was talking to the guy with the two-door. Sprinkling. Let's repeat over time for that. I want to get confirmation, man, that show's been canceled. That's what I want. I can't remember which one I put it on. $1970 GMC C15 two-wheel drive pickup.